Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, daytime running lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.